Do you think diabetes as a disease affects only one person? Well, I strongly believe that diabetes not just affects that one individual, but it affects the entire family with deep socio-economic effects. Let me share a story with you. About 5 years back, I used to run mobile telehealth clinics in a number of interior villages of West Bengal. In one of such visits to one of the villages, I came across a lady, and while talking to her, I came to know that she has been recently diagnosed with diabetes. Although she could visit the government hospital for treatment, which was again about 5 kilometers away from her place, but for many reasons she did not want to go to the government hospital. So she traveled almost 15 kilometers to get herself checked by a physician for her diabetic condition. The prescription which was generated meant that she would have to spend certain amount of money which was beyond her financial capacity. However, she was so excited that she could visit a senior doctor in a nearby town that she was determined to get the treatment going for her. And in order to do so, she has to sell her only means of livelihood so that she could take care of the treatment regime that was prescribed to her. Since there was no one else to take care of this old lady at home, so I was thinking what would happen when the money would end, because the only means of livelihood was also sold in order to take care of the healthcare expenditure. Well, I did not have an answer at that point of time, and I couldn't help the lady or provide her with any solution. But this left me thinking, what kind of development are we talking about in the healthcare industry? Are we happy about the robotic surgery infrastructure that many of our hospitals are boasting about? Or are we really thinking or trying to do something about the situation wherein people need to sell off things in order to take care of the healthcare expenditure, which becomes really worse when it comes to chronic diseases like diabetes? But this incident made me determined that I need to understand about this problem properly, which is why I went ahead to uh, take a course on diabetes education from Christian Medical College, Vellore. After that, in the over the last 4 to 5 years, having come across thousands of patients, reviewing their life stories, reviewing their feelings, I was pretty sure that this disease can easily be taken care of by many ways, which would not just leave the patient lead an extraordinary life, but it would also take away the stress not only from that patient but also from the entire family. And at the same time, it would reduce the expenditure on the healthcare drastically. There are certain concepts around these thoughts which I would be covering in my upcoming book, Don't Just Survive But Thrive with Diabetes. And if you would like to get regular updates on this thought process of how to deal with diabetes in a completely new and holistic way, then do join me in my WhatsApp group, the link of which would be given in the comment box below. And before I end, I would also like to stress once again that even if you have been diagnosed with diabetes, let me reassure you that you can still live an extraordinary life. Until next time, take care.